Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Minecraft Bedrock with friends. So first you have to launch your Minecraft and then you have to play for Bedrock right here. So what you're going to do is you have to tap on the play icon. Now you have to make sure that both of you have the right setup, Minecraft Bedrock Edition, not Java, Microsoft account, sign in on each device, stable internet connection. Now here on the main menu, you have to sign into your account and then look for the friends option. So basically go to the friends tab, select add friend, and then here you type your friend's Microsoft gamer tag. After that, send an invite right here. So after that, once accepted, you will appear in each other's friends list. Now, join a friend's world, ask your friend to launch Minecraft and start a world. They must ensure multiplayer is toggled on their world settings, and then go to the Friends tab under Joinable Friends, select your friend's world, click Join. So you can start Minecraft, create or open a world, pause the game, click invite the game, choose friends from your Microsoft Friends list. They will get an invite pop up and can join instantly. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.